So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, which can also be written as 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This formula, we have already done that. Sine A plus B was sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So if you take A is equal to B is equal to theta and substitute over here, you will directly get this formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Now in order to get this one, we'll just write sine 2 theta is this much. Upon 1 we can introduce. That 1 can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now in order to get this tan, you will divide each term by cos square theta and you can see that you will get this particular formula. Now, for this cos 2 theta, first one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And one more is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now, how to get this? So, let us start the proof of this one. So, you know that cos A plus B already we had done. That was cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now, if you put A is equal to B is equal to theta, then you will get this first formula directly. You check that. If you put A is equal to B is equal to theta, then you will get cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Right? That means we had proved this first one. Now from here, if you want to get this second formula, then I can write this sin square as 1 minus cos square theta. So when I club these two, it will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is how we can prove that second formula which I had written. Now similarly, if you want to get this entirely in terms of sine, then you can write this as 1 minus sine square theta, and that can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square. So this third also you can prove yourself. Next is how to prove the last one, that is this tan form. So in order to prove that, we know that cos 2 theta is given by cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now upon 1 we can write anytime. Anytime we can write upon 1. So again that 1 can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now again if you divide each term by cos square theta, then you will get this as 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Right? So this is how you can prove these 4 formulas for this cos 2 theta. So number 12 is tan 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. If you want to prove this formula, then we know that tan A plus B was given by tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Here we are taking A, B as theta. So when you put A as theta and B as also theta, then theta plus theta will become tan 2 theta, and here also tan theta plus tan theta will 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So this is number 12. Now after this, let us write down some more formulas. So number 13 you can write down. So 13th is sine 3 theta. So this is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Then number 14 is cos 3 theta. So that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And number 15 is tan 3 theta. So that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square. So just quickly make a list of these formulas. So number 13 is sine 3 theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Number 14, cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then tan 3 theta. Now let me show you how to prove one formula out of these. So let me prove formula number 13 for you, and remaining you can prove yourself. So for 13th, the formula is sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So first of all, sine 3 theta can be written as sine 2 theta plus theta. I am proving this formula. So sine 3 theta can be written as sine 2 theta plus theta. Now apply the formula of sine A plus B. So it will become sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So here I had just applied the formula of sine A plus B. I am treating 2 theta as A and theta as B. So I had just applied the formula. After that, you can write down the formula of sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta can be written like this. And in place of this cos 2 theta, one of the formula was 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now, intentionally, I am writing this formula because I want to get my answer in terms of sine. So that is why intentionally I am applying this formula for cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now let us do normal calculations. So this will become 2 sine theta cos square theta. Here just multiply sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. Now we want everything in terms of sine. So let us rewrite this as 1 minus sine square theta by class 10th identity. So when you rewrite it in this form and just write down these as it is. So after this, just do further calculations. So this will become 2 sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta sine theta minus 2 sine cube. Just club the like terms. So this will become 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Hence root. So I had proved 13th formula for you. Similarly, you can prove formula number 14th and 15th yourself. So formula number 14th and 15th you can prove yourself. Okay, so here we have formula number 16. This is 2 cos A cos B. It is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Minus 2 sin A sin B will be cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. 2 sin A cos B will be sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B will be sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now, if you want to prove these formulas, then you can start from right hand side. Simply apply the formula of cos A plus B and cos A minus B, do calculation, and you will get this as the final answer. So how to prove these formulas? By using those first 4 formulas, we can easily prove them. Cos A plus B, cos A minus B, already you know that. Put the values, do calculation, in 1 or 2 steps you will get the answer. Similarly, all the formulas can be. Just write down these 4 formulas.